First impressions matter, especially in Glendale, where homes often reflect a blend of modern southwestern design and clean architectural lines. One of the most effective ways homeowners can enhance both curb appeal and property value is by upgrading to picture windows. With their expansive glass, sleek frames, and modern appearance, picture windows create a bold visual impact while delivering long-term benefits that buyers and homeowners appreciate. Here's how picture windows elevate Glendale homes inside and out. Clean, modern lines that enhance exterior design. Picture windows feature large, uninterrupted panes of glass without visible hardware or dividers. This clean design instantly modernizes a home's exterior. From the street, picture windows create a sleek, upscale appearance, highlight architectural symmetry, reduce visual clutter caused by bulky frames. In Glendale neighborhoods, this modern aesthetic complements both contemporary homes and updated traditional properties. Maximizing natural light creates a welcoming look. Homes that appear bright and open from the outside feel more inviting. Picture windows allow significantly more natural light to pass through than many operable window styles. This results in brighter interior spaces visible from outside, a more open and welcoming facade, enhanced depth and dimension in exterior views. Homes with abundant natural light tend to stand out in Glendale's competitive real estate market. Expansive views highlight Glendale's surroundings. Glendale homeowners often enjoy scenic desert landscapes, mountain views, or beautifully designed yards. Picture windows frame these views like artwork. Large glass panes draw attention to landscaping and surroundings, create a seamless connection between indoors and outdoors, add visual interest to the home's exterior. This connection to the environment enhances both curb appeal and buyer interest. Modern frame options complement southwestern architecture. Picture windows are available in frame colors and materials that suit Glendale's architectural styles. Popular choices include neutral tones that blend with stucco exteriors, dark frames for bold contrast, slim profile frames that emphasize glass over structure. These options allow homeowners to customize their look while maintaining regional character. Improved energy efficiency adds real value, while curb appeal attracts attention. Energy efficiency drives long-term value. Modern picture windows are built with insulated glass and low-E coatings designed for Glendale's hot climate. Energy-efficient picture windows reduce heat gain during summer, improve indoor comfort, lower cooling costs. Buyers increasingly value homes with proven energy-saving features. Fixed design means long-lasting performance because picture windows don't open. They have fewer moving parts that can wear out over time. This results in reduced maintenance needs, consistent sealing and insulation, long-term reliability. Low maintenance features appeal to homeowners and buyers alike. Enhancing interior spaces increases overall appeal. Picture windows improve curb appeal from the outside and transform interiors as well. Interior benefits include more natural light throughout living spaces, highlighted architectural features, a more spacious, luxurious feel. Homes that feel bright and open often command higher perceived value. Strong buyer appeal and higher resale potential. Buyers are drawn to homes that feel modern, efficient, and visually striking. Picture windows check all three boxes. They help create standout listings, increase buyer interest, support higher resale values. In Glendale's growing housing market, these features matter. Professional installation ensures maximum impact. To fully realize the benefits of picture windows, professional installation is essential. Proper alignment, sealing, and finishing ensure the windows look and perform their best. A smart upgrade for Glendale homeowners. Picture windows offer Glendale homeowners a powerful combination of visual appeal and practical value. By enhancing natural light, showcasing views, improving energy efficiency, and modernizing exteriors, they elevate both curb appeal and home value. For homeowners looking to make a lasting impression and invest in long-term benefits, picture windows are a smart, stylish upgrade that delivers beauty, comfort, and confidence from the curb to the interior.